Hi folks, back outside again. This time I'm responding to a challenge laid down by Jason Calaz, I believe his surname is. Sorry if I got it wrong, Jay. He has challenged me to do the 3-ingredient meal, and he gave me a bit of time to do it because, as you probably know by now, I've been out in Scotland for some time. But I went and ordered myself a fry box from the bushcraft store, which came very quickly, which I was very impressed with. So cheers guys for that. And yeah, so I've come out here, made myself a nettle brew first, and I'm going to get started with that in a minute. I really do hope you can hear me. When I first came out for a walk and spotted this place, the water level was a lot lower and quieter, and we just had 2 days of constant rain pretty much, and that has now raised the level, the speed and the noise, but it was too nice a place to not come back to, so I really hope this works out. And so I'm going to get some hot coals going while I'm having a drink, and then I'll get ready to try and cook something. I want to say cheers for Sally for the idea of what I'm going to attempt to do. With any luck it will work out. If not, I'm still going to have fun. I'm still going to probably eat it. Can't imagine it'd be that bad. And yeah, and I'll lay down the challenge for a few other people a bit later on. Cheers. That's hot. Most important, need that for later. Okay, so my 3 ingredients are half a can of Hobgoblin, half a bottle of Hobgoblin even. I'll drink the other half myself. And I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a clove of garlic and about 400 grams of grated cheese. And I'm going to attempt to do a fondue on a firebox. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit because I bought bread. I know that's a 4th ingredient, but I don't care because it's going to be lovely. The main thing is I'm cooking a 3-ingredient meal and I'll eat it with bread. I don't care if the rules are being broken there, I'm going with it. So let's get started. So half a bottle. A bit over half for that do. So it's going to come up to a simmer and I'll start adding cheese and the garlic. Well, it's smelling pretty amazing at the moment. That's just the beer. starting to melt and thicken up now. I've never ever done this before. And that beer has made it a bit of an off brown colour, but never mind. Smells amazing. Oh, it's getting thick now. Right, this is starting to thicken up quite nicely now, and the smoke is definitely keeping the midges away, because there are tons around here. I don't know whether I've got too much liquid on top of the cheese or what, or maybe that's all part of it, having never done this before. That's looking pretty amazing. I might just have to get the bread out and give it a go. It's the only way to tell, really. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. I think it's starting to boil a bit too much, getting too hot, so it'll be too hot to eat for a minute. I don't want it to solidify too much, so a while back I made this cozy out of sort of insulating bubble wrap that you put down the back of a radiator, and just close the barrel handle so it fits. Come on. There you go. And that'll fit in there, and that should retain the heat to allow me to handle the pan a bit easier. And I can get going with the bread. Here he goes. First time I've ever had fondue, I think, and first time I've ever done it outside, that's for sure. I think I'm going to scald my mouth for this. It smells amazing. I'm not going to lose it. Oh. Oh, that's brilliant. A bit too much beer, but it's still brilliant. Oh. 400 grams of cheese. I might not be able to eat all of it. I don't know how well it will carry, if it will. Oh, stop there. Oh. Look at that. I don't know if there's any way I can do this without getting in a mess, so I'm just going to go for it and hope for the best. And I hope I don't get cheese in my beer. Right, right. I want to carry on eating this. You don't want to watch me eat it. Not all of it anyway. I'll catch you in a little while. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. It's going to be fun cleaning that pan later, that's for sure. So, I would say thanks again to Jay from as Wild Nestarond for recommending me for this, and I know he tagged Zed Outdoors, so whether he's seen it or not I don't know, but maybe he'll see this. I'm pretty small, so I doubt it, but you can only try. So I'm going to nominate 3 people, and the first one is I'm going to nominate Kelly from Fuzzpuss Adventures. Now, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it's good fun. Do it in your garden if you have to. However way you want to do it. The other person, number 2, I want to nominate is Rob, aka Chad the Inhaler. I'm sure you can come up with something pretty original, knowing you. And I'm also going to nominate Geoff from Fenland Bushcraft. He's just started a new channel, it's Fenland Bushcraft Official. I'll put links to everyone down the bottom here, and yeah, hope you enjoy it as much as I have. I've had a great time out here. It's nice to get out and reconnect, and now all I've got to do is pack away. So see you in the next one. Cheers.